Yes, my dear P6 learners, I hope you are still doing well. Thank you for attending to the lessons that we have been giving you through this online teaching. My name is Mr. Mugisha Emmanuel. In our previous lesson, I taught you how to find percentage parts. I told you that if you have been told that maybe in a certain class 20%, this one belongs to boys. Then I tell you to find the percentage of girls. I told you that the total percentage is supposed to be 100. Then you take away the percentage of boys, which is 20%, in order to come up with the percentage of girls, which will be 80%. We also looked at examples where we're using the word more and less. So in our lesson today, that's what we are going to concentrate on, more and less. So in our lesson today, I have just said we are going to look at more about finding percentage parts. And in this, you will find that our concentration will be on this. Okay? Yes. So example 1 says, in a class, there are 30% more boys than girls. More boys than girls. I don't want you to begin subtracting directly like the way we are doing it the other time. Here we have this word more. So this one means that 30% is not the percentage of boys, but it is just a difference. Boys are more by 30. So the best method we can use here is by using the equation. So we are going to draw our solution table here. And this solution table, we put there what has been given. And we have been given boys. We have been given boys and girls. So in a class, there are 30% more boys. So you say boys than girls. Then here you put girls. And finally, you put here the total. Okay. So when we add boys plus girls in terms of percentage, the total is 100%. The total is supposed to be 100%. So in a class, there are 30% more boys than girls. What does that one mean? That boys are 30% more. So of the two, we don't know the percentage of girls. For boys, at least we know part of it, which is 30%. So we are going to say, let the percentage of, which one is not known, we have said girls, be any letter of your choice. So I can use C. So if girls are C, what will boys be? Boys are 30% more than girls. So we shall have the percentage of girls, then we add on the 30%. Because boys are more by 30%. So we get the percentage of girls, you add on the 30%. From your equation, we shall have C plus 30%, then plus C is equal to 100%. You go ahead and correct like terms together. This is C plus C, then plus 30%, and this one is going to give us 100%. Okay? Algebra, C plus C, we shall get 2C. 30% is equal to 100%. Okay? Do you remember how to solve such equations? We are going to eliminate 30 by subtracting it from both sides. So we have 2C plus 30% minus 30% in order to get 100% minus the 30%. So this one will give us a 0. We remain with the C, which is equal to, subtract vertically. 100, you take away 30. 0 take away 0, it is a 0. 0 take away 3, we have to regroup, that is 10. So 10 take away 3, what do we get? Yeah, that's good, 70. So we are getting 70%. Therefore, the percentage of girls, which is represented by C, is going to be 70%. 70%. Then you underline your answer. A good child of mathematics should be well organized. Part B, assuming now I want the percentage of girls, I mean boys. What is the percentage of boys? So the percentage of boys is represented by C plus 30. So we shall come here and say for boys they have C plus 30%. And C we have got, and C we have got, sorry, this one is incomplete, this one is incomplete. This one is incomplete, this one is incomplete. So this one is 2C. Okay? Yes, that's why you should always check. This one is 2C. So if we have 2C is equal to 70%. So to get the value of C, we have to divide here by 2, even here by 2. By 2 is 1, by 2 is 1. So by 2 is 1, then by 2 here is 35. So C is equal to 35%. 35%. So I have said that after getting that one, someone may ask you to find the percentage of boys. The percentage of boys. The percentage of boys. So we have said boys are given by C plus 30. We have already got the value of C. So the value of C is 35%. Then we add on the 30%. So finally, when we add this, it is going to give us the 65%. So the percentage of boys is that one. Basically, that's what we looked at yesterday, and today I felt I should give you more examples so that you get it better. Let's have another example. This time I may use the word less. I may say, Okero scored 20% less marks than a team. Okero scored 20% less marks than a team. So my question is, what percentage? What percentage did Okero get? Okay? Okero scored 20% less. Okay? If I say less, assuming maybe Okero scored 80. No, assuming a team scored 80 and Okero scored 20% less, what does it mean? It means you are going to subtract 20 to get what? The 60. Because Okero is less. But since we don't have any of these two scores, what do? Then we are going to assume Okero at least has this 20% which is known. a team, we don't have anything. So we are going to say, let a team's score be any letter of your choice. So I'm going to use Y. So if a team scored that one, then we draw a solution table here. Begin with anybody. You can begin with Okero, you can begin with a team. So here you can even say, let me begin with a team. Then we have Okero. And finally we have their total. So in terms of percentages, their total is 100%. Okero scored 20% less marks than a team. So for a team, we don't know, but we have already assumed it to be Y. So a team is Y. So to get Okero's score, we are going to get a team's score less, you subtract, minus 20%. So can we form our equation and find the value of Y? Therefore, Y plus Y minus 20%, this one will give you 100%. So Y plus Y, we are getting 2Y. Take away 20%. And this one will give you 100%. You take away the 20%. Okay? So this one we shall get, we are eliminating this one, so this one is 20%. 2Y minus 20% plus 20% is equal to 100%, then plus the 20%. So this and this one already eliminated. We have 2%, 2Y is equal to this and this, 0. When we get 100, we add on 20, we get 120%. Okay? How do we get the value of Y? We are going to divide each side by 2. We are going to divide each side by 2. So we have 2Y is equal to 120%. You divide by 2. Even here by 2. 2 divided by 2, we are getting 1. Here divide by 2, we get 1. What about 120 divided by 2? We get 60. Therefore, Y equals to 60%. So having got this one, you don't need to just underline. You are supposed to know what you are looking for. So the question says, what percentage did Okero get? Go back to the table. What is representing Okero? Okero is represented by Y. Take away 20. So Okero scored Y, take away 20%. And this one is going to give you Y is 60%. You take away 20%. And finally, Okero will have 40%. If you want to prove your calculation, add Okero's percentage to a team's percentage. The total should be 100%. Okay? Yes. But there is also a shorter method which I gave you. I hope you still remember that method. For example, if I'm going to apply it here, I told you that a team and Okero have a total of 100%. 100%. Okay? Then, this time, to get the equal percentage, we first of all remove the 20%. So you take away 20%. Then you divide by 2. When we do that, we shall get the equal percentage. So this one is going to give you 80%, which should be divided by 2. Okay? So by 2 is 1. By 2 is 40. So the equal percentage is 40. But if the equal percentage is 40, go back to the question. They have told you that one of them is 20% less than this one. So in this case, what are we going to do? It means if the equal one is this one, come and write their names. Okero. Then here we have a team. The equal percentage, a team will be having this one. Okay? What about Okero? Okero scored 20%. Sorry. The equal percentage will have 40. So Okero who got less will be having the 40%. So if Okero got less, then what will a team have? It means a team scored 20% more than this, because this one is less by 20. So we shall get 40%, then we add there the other 20%. So you will find that Okero who is less, that is 40, then the other one will be 60%. But all in all, the method which I encourage you to always use is this one. Because the moment you learn how to solve these equations, you have learned very many things. One, you have learned how to solve equations, and at the same time, you have learned how to find the missing percentage. Thank you so much for being good learners. I'm going to give you an exercise. Since I had already given you work about this time I'm going to give you only 4 numbers. Please sit down and do the work. Bye-bye.